A very warm and pleasant good afternoon. My project is Automation and Technology for Swachha Bharat Abhijan. This is Pradesika Shatpati from Sundargarh Public School. So, we all know that health is wealth and this proverb suits everyone. So, basically this is a toy model to demonstrate about how to preserve the cleanliness in our environment. First of all the houses are having and the waste products comes out that may be biodegradable, non-biodegradable or recyclable. So the non-biodegradable waste and the biodegradable waste and the recyclable waste can be proceed further. So first the biodegradable waste are sent to the waste to energy plant. First of all the waste products are given here and it is made into a pulp, and with the liquid substance it is transported into these two tanks where the electrolysis process occurs, and this low voltage electricity can be stored in the turbines and can be used for lighting of our street. Then my next topic is bound to clean smart toilet. So we all know that toilets are very much essential and our public toilets, they are very much dirty. So basically this is basically when a person tries to enter the washroom, he will see three signals: red, orange and green. Green signals indicates that the washroom is ready to be used, orange indicates that the tank is empty, and red indicates that someone is inside. So the person will come inside and he will lock the door. Now it is showing a red signal, that means someone is inside, and without flushing, if the person tries to enter, the door will get locked automatically and will give a buzzer sound warning the person that he must flush, otherwise he could not come out. After flushing, the door will get open and the buzzer will get off. So this can be used basically in our public areas like the airport, railways, etc. for keeping our environment clean as well as helping the Swachha Bharat Abhijan. Then the next topic is non-biodegradable waste plant. Here first of all the plastics that which we get from our daily uses are collected over here and it is cut into teeny pieces, and this plastic is heated in a burner, and this molten liquid plastic can be used for making of the plastic roads which are more durable than our concrete road. Then the next is the air pollution controller. We all know that air pollution is a great threat for our life, and if the air pollution level or the carbon dioxide in our environment or our air, if it increases, then it is automatically detected by the circuit and it can give a warning and a signal indicating the officials about the increase of carbon dioxide in our air, and then our officials can take the needful actions. Then the next topic is smart house. So basically this is a project in which a person cannot enter without sanitizing him or herself. If the person tries to enter over here, the door will not open. The person first need to sanitize himself with the sensor will detect, and after that the door will open and the person can come inside. So basically this all project has been synthesized on the environment and for the better functioning of our environment and also for the health, and it will be also very much helpful in completing the mission of Swachha Bharat Abhijan. Thank you.